4-axis CNC router. With its rotary axis, it can handle 3D carving and multi-sided cutting easily. It has flexible spindle, tool magazine, auto tools change, holder customizable. This machine comes in different working sizes, catering to various needs. It's perfect for woodworking, soft metal crafting, and more. Whether making furniture, sculptures, or molds, this machine always keeps precision. With advanced control system support, it achieves smooth and stable effect with exceptional reliability. The spindle can swing plus or minus 90 degrees, working on the top, left, and right sides. The rotary carousel has 8 tools, and swaps tools in just 5 seconds. It handles drilling, cutting, engraving, all in one process.